Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Justin. Welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. For today, we're going to talk about conversion of measurements, metric to metric. So let's convert 3.16 hectoliter to centiliter. So metric to metric na conversion tayo. So first thing that we need to do is to have this metric table. Okay, itong from kilo to milli. Okay, so we have to convert hecto to centi. Okay, so how do we do that? First, let's identify where are we starting, and then pupunta tayo sa centiliter. So ilang movement tayo going to the right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 movement to the right. So ganun din yung gagawin natin from our decimal point. Okay, 3.16, we will move our decimal point 4 units or 4 places to the right. So let's count 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We place the decimal point there. And then dun sa mga gaps, maglagay tayo ng zeros. Okay, so lagay tayo ng 0. So now, our number or our measurement from hecto, magiging centi na siya. So centiliter, it will be 31,600 centiliter. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright.